We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together.
Alright, hey guys, I'm quickly just checking in with you guys. I'm currently at a physiotherapy clinic, and I am making my first booking to go back to physio, so I'm excited.
Which muscles are you working on right now?
I'm strengthening the arms because I'll be using my arms.
Oh, okay, for starters.
Yes.
Or the right one. It means it needs more attention. That's what it means. But can you think of how are we supposed to do it? Are you supposed to bend some areas or
Whatever I'm comfortable with right now. That's what she said. But it's basically just I have to do this 5 times.
Okay.
This 5 times.
Okay.
On both sides.
Okay. So today it will just be that.
I don't know if it's just today.
You should keep coming, I guess.
Yeah.
To give you more. To be macho.
It was so funny to be on the other side.
When?
I was pushing management. Pushing to see what.
Okay, during the assessment. But you did.
It was so funny.
Okay, because now that will tell how strength are your limbs, lower limbs.
They're actually quite strong. They're quite strong, much. It's just that I'm pushing my.
You check it out and how can this train like
Yes, more than enough.
It hurts. Everything hurts. My arm, my pains. It so bad since yesterday. But I'm not giving up. No way. I know what I want, and I'm gonna fight for it. I'm gonna work for it. And I'll go through all the pain and all the aches. It's worth it. Nothing in life comes easy. Let me get through it. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, the 12th of April. I have physio in like 30 minutes. I'm actually supposed to be calling a cab right now. I've missed, I think, about like a week and a day of physio because last week I wasn't feeling well. And then, okay, I started off with like Wednesday and Friday. But then because of school, I kind of have to cut out Friday because I have rehearsals and stuff. Being a theater kid and all, you know, it's just we have a lot of rehearsals and stuff like that. We're working on some shows for our final presentations and such, so I had to cut out the Fridays. So I'll only be going once a week until further notice, probably until the semester ends, probably. So yeah, I have physio in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna get a cab and just head out there. So hey guys, it's Wednesday the 10th of May. I haven't vlogged in a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys just a little bit of a, not exactly a progress report, but just kind of share how I'm feeling today because I'm feeling a little bit down. So as you guys know, yeah, so I've been back at physio and such, it's going well. It's actually going really, really well. I'm making quite a bit of progress. Today I walked with my crutches. I used my crutches, and funny thing is I've been walking with I have been like walking and such, just pushing the wheelchair. But today I used my crutches, and it was actually much easier to use my crutches than to push the wheelchair, which was kind of interesting. But unfortunately I couldn't really go that far because I couldn't go too far because I sprained my I think it was my hip, but I'm not sure, but it wasn't feeling too good, so I had to just, you know, give myself a break because I tend to push myself a little bit too much sometimes. So but yeah, no, this time I decided, you know, I should probably just sit down. But yeah, I've just been feeling very demotivated with the whole physio thing. I still go, but nowadays it's kind of like I don't have that motivation that I had when I first started. And another thing that kind of just like has been bothering me a little bit is, you know, just I feel like I'm kind of alone in this whole experience. I just feel like nobody really is that interested in what I'm doing, especially like with just the people around me. It just feels like I'm just alone in this whole thing, and it's kind of demoralizing. I'm the type of person that needs, I feed off of, you know, that kind of encouragement, verbal encouragement from people. And when I don't get it, and it seems like people just, I feel like I need an external force. I need someone on the outside to tell me that, to just kind of encourage me, because like already I do have that inner, encouragement and motivation of like, what I really want, what the end goal is for me. But sometimes it just kind of, it hurts a little bit when the people around you just don't seem to be showing that much interest. And yeah, it just kind of, that's just been kind of bringing me down a bit. And also I've just been like really tired with school and everything else. Just life has just been so stressful, so it's really hard for me to actually sit and just take in what's happening. And I've had to only do like just, I'm only able to do like just like once a week, one session a week, I meant to say. Sorry guys, it's like really late and my brain is just, yeah, I'm ready to just go to bed. But yeah, all in all, I am still kind of looking forward to finally getting to walk and stuff and not having to rely on this wheelchair. I look forward to things like being able to drive, and just not having to worry about whether places are accessible, and just whether cars are, there's enough space in the car for my chair. I'm looking forward to those kind of things. So yeah, that kind of is encouraging for me. But yeah, it's been a little rough. It has been a little rough. It usually at this point when I feel this way, back in the day that is, I would literally just be like, I just want to quit. But the good thing about having put this out there for everyone to see and everyone to just know what I'm doing is, I feel like I have people to hold me accountable. So it pushes me, in a sense, to actually really want to get to that end goal and achieve that end goal. But yeah, so that's basically just what I'm dealing with right now. Yeah, this is just, I don't know guys, it's going really slow. Oh, and another thing that I'm really like finding very difficult, sorry guys, my hand is tired. Another thing that I've been finding very difficult is patience. This whole process is just really trying my patience. I'm not the most patient person. I like quick results, even though I do know that not everything's gonna happen like super quick. But I am very impatient, and I wish that this process could go much faster, but I'm trusting the process. I have this vision of seeing myself finally get up and just walk on my own. But there's a process, and I have to trust that that process is like it's going to be very beneficial, and it's going to get me there no matter how long it takes. I just have to trust that that time is important. Every minute, every second is important. So yeah, hold the vision, trust the process. That's very, very important quote. I'm trying to be as patient as I possibly can be. Wow, I've been talking for like 5 minutes, guys. Okay, let me let you guys go. But yeah, tomorrow is another day, and we shall see just how things go. I'm just gonna kind of just take a little moment to just meditate on today and meditate on, just everything, process everything, and get myself back into that excited me that put up that video. And yeah, but we're still doing this, guys. We're still doing this. I have not given up. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep pushing for as long as I have to, because I have an end goal that I'm really trying to achieve, and I'm going to achieve it. It's going to be hard. It's going to be, it's going to test my patience, but eventually I'll get to where I want to be and where I know I should be, because this wheelchair is not my portion. I refuse to accept that this is the end of it. So I'm going to just keep pushing. I'm going to keep, I'm just going to take it step by step, one step at a time. Okay, guys. Yeah. So that's me. That's the journey so far.